Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's start with some quotes today. Let's see what we get. You'll never be in this exact moment again. Take it all in. Appreciate today. When it feels good, milk it. There is no Photoshop or filter for your energy. Being different and thinking different makes a person unforgettable. Do you agree? I am not who I was a year ago. How about you? I don't really have a plan. I rely on caffeine and weirdness to get me through the day. Your home should tell the story of who you are and be a collection of what you love. I wasted enough time on things that never felt right. I'm listening to my soul now. Never ignore your first instinct just because it isn't what you want to believe. Don't find fault, find a remedy. Anybody can complain. Henry Ford. I don't follow the respect is earned philosophy. I respect everyone, and then each person has the opportunity to lose my respect based on their behavior. Letting go of your desires will allow them to come to you much quicker. Stephen Atkinson. When you take the time to heal properly, you start to make better decisions in all aspects of your life. Stephen Speaks. Breathe. It doesn't have to be perfect to be magical. Rachel Martin. Always look for the thing you can do with the energy and focus you do have. Little wins pave the way for bigger wins. 1% beats 0%. Dr. Glenn Doyle. Start small. One new healthy habit promotes another new healthy habits. One win promotes many wins. And the cards today: resolving anger. Conflict reminds me when I need more space for myself. I honor and respect myself. 31. I have a healthy and stable foundation in my life. Defensive, unseen resistance to unsolved issues. Explore with curiosity, reflection, acceptance, and growth. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.